In the metals quadrant, looking at a new all-time high in the April gold futures contract, which fell just short of $3,000 today, hitting a high of 29.9850, up 1.75% from yesterday's settlement. The low today, 29.4220, was only down 0.16%, and with a little bit of time left in the session, we're basically sitting up near the highs. On a weekly basis, gold is working on its 10th week higher in the last 11 weeks. And if the futures contract finishes here, which is up about 2.75%, it will be the strongest performance for gold of those 10 weeks. Today's trade in gold futures played out like a classic safety trade as stocks continue to fall, driving investors to the perceived safety of asset like gold. Yen is another one which was up 0.4% against the dollar. The idea behind a safety trade is investors begin to get concerned about return of their capital as opposed to return on their capital, and gold is perceived as one of the safest places to park your money when there's economic or geopolitical uncertainty. Using the Nasdaq as an equity proxy, since the all-time high, the Nasdaq is down almost 14% and has been below the 200-day moving average for 6 consecutive sessions. That's enough to trigger a safety trade. Another place where investors like to hide capital when they have concerns is the U.S. Treasury market. And as we all know, Treasury prices go up, Treasury yields go down, and that's exactly what happened today. Yields actually started higher this morning and then turned and pushed lower, with the front end leading the back end. That again is another sign of investors who are very worried about the safety of their capital, and those investors tend to buy treasuries, the yen, and they tend to buy gold in the form of gold futures. That's likely what we saw today and probably the last few sessions.